My dear friends, tomorrow, that is on March 8th, we are going to celebrate International Women's Day. Every year we do that and we forget about the woman who is very important, who is an important asset for the human life, to the nature, to the world, to the society. Wherever you are there, a woman is there with you to help you out in all your daily course and in all your development. So, but we always try to remember the woman only on the International Women's Day, and we forget about their importance later in all on all other days. So, which is really not uh, should not be happening. So, we always should respect the woman because they are the part and parcel of an important human life, like a mother, like a child, like a sister, like a grandmother, like a granddaughter. Likewise, so in so many angles, we always come across so many uh, uh, ladies. That is, they always be a part of every human life. Not only the men life, they are also a part of woman's life. Woman is also a part of woman's life. So without a woman, we cannot uh, imagine a world or a nature or a human cult. So she is the very essence of the origin of the human race. So without a woman being in existence, there is no existence to anybody or everybody. So we should love her to the core. So we should give her a hope to live in this world, not to harass her, not to uh, create violence on them. So we are seeing so many nonsense things happening to the women in the world throughout the globe, especially in India also, where women are respected like anything, right from the mythological days. Nowadays, we are not giving that respect to the woman because there are so many changing trends in the society because of the media explosion and the social media explosion. So the children, that is especially the growing children, male children, they are taking the things very light and they are not respecting the woman right from their childhood, which we need to educate. Especially the mothers should educate the boys that they should respect the woman as they grow into the adulthood. This should be happening right from their childhood. So actually, in 2021, the International Women's Day, the theme is very important theme, that is the leadership qualities. That is the International Women's Day. The theme is actually uh, woman in leadership. Women in leadership achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world. So this is very important slogan, that is a woman in leadership achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world. So we are totally plagued by the COVID-19 pandemic throughout the globe. In this particular situation, pandemic situation, women are so totally affected throughout the globe wherever they are there. So as they are growing up in the world, suddenly the pandemic really again it has hit the woman folk, and the women were really working. They are struggling for their daily living also because of the pandemic, which is a WHO observation in this pandemic. That is why they have given the women in leadership achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world. This is the United Nations Development Program. Akim Steiner, in a statement, said, as countries and communities start slowly recover from the devastating pandemic like COVID-19, we have the chance to finally end the exclusion and marginalization of the women and girls. But to do that, we need immediate action. Women must have the opportunity to play a full role in shaping the pivotal decisions being made right now as countries respond to and recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. See how very important, how good statement is it, and how important it is in this particular pandemic situation. So we should always respect the woman, and we should always give them a helping hand, and also we should empathize them, empower them with all our good deeds, and we by totally avoiding all the nonsense things happening in the society, by respecting to the core, respecting the woman to the core, because they are the important in our life as a human being. For anybody, woman is a very important part of the human being. So she is nature. She is she nurtures all the children. She nurtures the family. So she is everywhere. She is there in our. So even in the society, she can't be given a second rated position. So you should give prime utmost importance to the woman, and thereby the society will thrive in like anything. So development depends on the woman, who are really thriving a lot in all the fields, right from the any field you take, now the women are really thriving like anything. So we should give them a scope to develop by themselves, and develop the world, and develop the countries wherever they work. See, in pandemic situation also, so many women are involved in the preparation of the vaccine, that is in the laboratories. So they worked hard, and they have really developed so many vaccines throughout the globe. So many women we have seen in the media, so many women actually they helped in the development of the vaccine. Now because we are safe now, because of their role, important pivotal role in the development of a vaccine, to safeguard the whole of the humankind in the world. We thank the woman, and I wish all the women in the world a colorful, a bright, a grand gala, International Women's Day. I wish them all best in this particular pandemic situation. I wish them a leadership achievement programs throughout the globe. I wish them all the best. God bless them. We should love all the mothers, sisters, wherever they are there, because they are backbone of the families. Family is nothing but the society. Society is nothing but the particular country or the world. So we need to respect the self-respect of the woman, and we should be honoring them whenever there is an opportunity, especially International Women's Day. So we need to honor them at least on this particular day. Once we honor them, definitely they will be happy to see that they are honored because of this, because we respect them a lot. So we should give them a helping hand wherever we can give. And so this should not be happening only on the International Day of Women's Day of March 8th. It should be happening every day, because every day they are protecting us, they are caring us, they are loving us, they are with us. So thank you, my dear sisters and mothers, wherever you are. God bless you. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Please subscribe Dr. SS YouTube channel.